So we have to study the constituents part of the nuclear power plant, nuclear reactor, heat exchanger, and the steam turbine and alternator. Okay, nuclear reactor. What is it as actually? It is an apparatus in which fuel uranium 235 is subjected to a nuclear fission. It controls the chain reaction that starts once the fission is done. Okay, nuclear reactor means what? It is a apparatus. Okay, where the uranium 235 is subjected to a nuclear fission reaction by bombarding the uranium 235 by neutron particles. Okay, and inside the nuclear reactor, the starting of nuclear fission reaction and controlling of fission reaction is done inside the nuclear reactor. Okay, remember this point. If the chain reaction is not controlled, what will happen? Okay, actually in case of the in the nuclear reactor, we are going to provide, as I said earlier, surface to the nuclear reaction. Okay, so nuclear reactor going to control the chain reaction and it will going to start the fission reaction. Okay, so if you unable to control the chain reaction, it will result in explosion. Explosion means what? The nuclear reactor will burst out. Okay, so due to the what is the reason behind the explosion? Due to the fast increase in the energy released. Okay, बघा ऍक्च्युली न्यूक्लिअर रिॲक्टरमध्ये काय केलं जातं की युरेनियम 235 ला न्यूक्लिअर फिजन रिॲक्शनमध्ये म्हणजे आपण त्याला काय म्हणू, तिथं न्यूक्लिअर फिजन रिॲक्शन होत असते बरोबर. आणि ती कशी होते आपल्याला माहिती आहे, आपण फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्टमध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे, बाय बॉम्बार्डिंग द न्यूट्रॉन पार्टिकल्स uranium 235 is subjected to a nuclear reaction, nuclear fission reaction. Okay, so this process is continuous. Okay, this process is like a chain. Okay, so this chain reaction should be controlled. Okay, so that is done inside the nuclear reactor. Okay, so मला वाटतं तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना प्रश्न पडला असेल की एवढं काही हीट एनर्जी तिथं प्रोड्यूस होते, मग तिथं ऍक्च्युअल कंट्रोलिंग कसं केलं जात असेल. तर आपल्याकडे स्काडा सिस्टम, पीएलसी सिस्टम आहे किंवा आयओटी बेस्ड काही इक्विपमेंट आहेत, त्याचा यूज करून आपण काय करत असतो, त्याला कंट्रोल केलं जातं. ठीक आहे, मग तिथं त्याचे इनर लेअर वगैरे असतात न्यूक्लिअर रिॲक्टरच्या, त्याच्यामध्ये जर आपण ग्राफाईट वगैरे यूज केलं तर काय करतात, ते एक्स्ट्रा जे न्यूट्रॉन आहे त्यांना अब्सॉर्ब करतात. न्यूट्रॉन जर तिथं नसतील तर चेन रिॲक्शन स्टार्ट होणार नाही किंवा ती कंटिन्यू होणार नाही. ठीक आहे, तो काय आपल्याला डिटेल पाहायचं नाहीये. ओके, so remember this point. The nuclear reactor is used basically for the two purposes. Okay, to continue the chain reaction and to control the chain reaction. Okay, and it will avoid the explosion due to the heat generation. Okay, a nuclear reactor is a cylindrical stout pressure vessel and houses fuel rods of uranium. Okay, हे काय आहे, सिलेंड्रिकल स्टाउट प्रेशर व्हेसल आहे. ओके, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, युरेनियम 235 हे काय केलं जातं, ठेवलं जातं. ठीक आहे, अँड त्याच्यामध्ये काय असतात, आणखी कंट्रोल रॉड्स असतात. ठीक, द फ्युएल रॉड्स कन्स्टिट्यूट्स द फिजन मटेरियल अँड रिलीज द ह्यूज अमाऊंट ऑफ एनर्जी व्हेन बॉम्बार्डेड विथ स्लो मुव्हिंग न्यूट्रॉन्स. ओके, फ्युएल रॉड मध्ये काय असतं, फिजन मटेरियल असतं. ठीक आहे, फिजन मटेरियल म्हणजे कोणतं, युरेनियम 235. ओके, द मॉडरेटर कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ग्राफाईट रॉड्स. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. फ्युएल रॉड मध्ये काय असतं किंवा फ्युएल रॉड मध्ये काय असतं, मॉडरेटर मध्ये काय असतं किंवा ते कशाने बनलेलं असतं ते आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, बिकॉज ऑफ इट विल आस्क इन एक्झाम ॲज अ MCQ. So which of the following is used as a moderator? They will ask you. So graphite, we have to hit on this one. Graphite rod is used as a moderator. Okay, the moderator, what will do means what? Moderator slow downs the neutrons before they bombard the fuel rods. Okay, आपण मगाशी पाहिलेलं आहे की काय, by slow moving neutron particles are bombarded. okay, on the uranium 235, and the reaction will going to start. So the velocity or the speed of the neutron is moderated or slow down by using the moderator. Okay, the function of the moderator is what? To slow down the fast moving neutron particles, okay, which will going to further hits on the fuel rods. Okay, so remember this point. मॉडरेटर कशाने बनलेलं असतं, त्याचं फंक्शन काय असतं, ठीक आहे, ते लक्षात ठेवायचं आपल्याला. द कंट्रोल रॉड्स आर ऑफ कॅडमियम and are inserted into the reactor. Moderator, control rods. आता कंट्रोल रॉड्स आहे बघा. कंट्रोल रॉडचं काय फंक्शन आहे बघा. कंट्रोल रॉड कशाचे बनलेले असतात, कॅडमियम, and are inserted into the reactor. ओके, कंट्रोल रॉड कॅडमियमचे, ठीक आहे, लिहून ठेवा वाटलं तर तुम्हाला. control rods are made up of from the cadmium. Moderator, it is made from the, tell me, graphite. Okay, function to slow down the neutron particles. Okay, neutron particle. Okay, um, cadmium is strong neutron absorber and thus regulates the supply of neutrons for fission. Okay, as I said earlier, neutron is absorbed by the inner layer of the nuclear reactor. Okay, so this one is the part actually going to absorb the neutron, that is what control rod. Okay, it will going to control the x control the number of neutron particles. Okay, controls on neutron particle. Okay, neutron particle. When the control rods are pushed in deep enough, they absorb the most of fission neutrons, and hence few are available for chain reaction, which therefore stops. Okay. What is the function of the control rods? So from this description, what you will get the idea? Control rod plays the role in controlling the number of neutron particles present inside the nuclear reactor. Okay, so if we control the number of neutrons particle inside the nuclear reactor, indirectly we can able to control the chain reaction. Okay, and we will stop the chain reaction as per our requirement by using the control rod, which is made up from the cadmium. Okay, yes, you are getting somewhat. Yes, yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Okay, so write down somewhere your kind information. It is very important part. Definitely one new MCQ on this part. um, Tell, sorry, which is the moderator material is used, control rod are made up of, they will ask you, what is the function of moderator, they will ask you, um, function of control rod, they will ask you. Okay, their materials, they will ask you. Okay, so remember this point. Okay, so by this one, so see over here, nuclear reactor, this is a, yes, anybody want to tell something? Yes. Okay, we will continue. Nuclear reactor, this is what the schematic arrangement for the nuclear reactor. So see over here, control rod, moderator, and fissionable nucleus. So see over here, nuclear reactor, it is a sealed, or we can say that a stout like cylindrical highly pressurized vessel is there. Okay, न्यूक्लिअर रिॲक्टर काय असतं, हे कॉन्क्रीटचं स्ट्रक्चर असतं, ठीक आहे, सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीटचं स्ट्रक्चर असतं, त्याची खूप जाडी असते, म्हणजे त्याची थिकनेस ऑफ द वॉल खूप मोठी असते, आणि त्याच्या इनसाइड काय असतं, कंट्रोल रॉड, मॉडरेटरची अरेंजमेंट आणि फ्युएल रॉडची अरेंजमेंट असते, ठीक आहे. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय हाय प्रेशर असतं इनसाइड, ठीक आहे, जो की मग आतला पार्ट आहे रिॲक्टरचा, तो हायली प्रेशराइज्ड असतो, ठीक आहे, आणि ते सिलेंड्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर असतं. ओके, तर हे असं का अरेंजमेंट आहे ते आपण पाहूया. ठीक आहे. As I said earlier, nuclear reactor will provide the surface area where actually the nuclear reaction is taking place. Along with that, production of tremendous or plenty amount of heat energy is generated. Okay, so that much amount of heat or heavy temperature should be um, beer. That's why the wall of nuclear reactor are very thick and made up of from the heat sealed and as well as heat resisting material. Okay, means what, innermost layer of the nuclear reactor is made up of um, आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, विटा ब्रिक्स, फायर ब्रिक्स म्हणतो आपण, त्याच्यापासून ते बनवलेलं असतं इन ऑर्डर टू absorb the heat energy. Okay, so control rods are placed like this and moderator are placed like this. Okay, so tell me the control rod function, tell me, anyone remember? Yes, anyone tell me
control to control the nuclear chain.
how it will be going to control the nuclear chain reaction? Control rod, how it will be going to control? Yes.
They are absorb the nuclears in fusion reaction.
uh, when I think 2 3 lecture before we have studied how to write the answer. Okay, so remember this point while telling your answer, you are writing your answer. Okay, so use the proper word. Okay, somewhat statement variation will be there, grammatical mistake will be allowed, but proper word should be used. Okay, someone is told it is used for the control the nuclear. Okay, it is not going to control the nuclear. Control rod going to control the number of neutron particles available inside the nuclear reactor. Okay, so indirectly it will be going to control the nuclear chain reaction. Okay, as we know that the number of neutron particles present at the particular instant inside the nuclear reactor will going to decide the start and stoppage of nuclear reaction. Indirectly, control rod controls the number of neutron particles present inside the reactor. Yes or no? So number of neutron particle is controlled means what? Indirectly, rate of nuclear reaction is controlled. Okay. So tell me, anyone, function of moderator? Yes. Tell me, function of moderator. Yes. Tell me,
To slow down the neutrons.
which slow downs the neutrons. Yes, we required slow moving neutrons to bombard the fissionable nucleus. Okay, so in order to reduce the velocity or the speed of neutron particles, we have to use the moderator, which is composed of graphite material. Okay, control rods are made of, tell me, this is the MCQ question.
Graphite.
Control rods are made of
Cadmium.
cadmium. Very
Cadmium.
cadmium. Remember this point. MCQ will be framed on this only. Okay. So remember,
तर
cathode
ग्राफाइट पण यूज करतात ना.
graphite is used in case of moderator. See over here in the slide, moderator in bracket, he has mentioned over here graphite. Okay. In case of control rod, it is made up of from the cadmium. Okay, or any material or any metal non-metal can be used as a control rod that should possess a highly neutron absorption capacity. Okay, have you clear? Yes, आपण कंट्रोल रॉड
Yes,
म्हणून मेटल नॉन मेटल किंवा कोणताही मटेरियल यूज करू शकतो जो की न्यूट्रॉनला ऍब्सॉर्ब करेल. ठीक आहे. ओके, राहील लक्षात? ठीक आहे. So this is the reactor part. Okay. So heat energy evolved or produced inside the nuclear reactor is transferred towards the heat exchanger by using the liquid state of metal. For example, the sodium is used to transfer the heat energy from the nuclear reactor to the water. Okay, so see over here, uh, water is coming inside this chamber and steam at the top of this chamber is taken outside. Okay, so tell me which type of this one is boiler? Yes, tell me type of the boiler is. While explaining the steam power station, I have explained the types of boiler: water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. Tell me which type of boiler is. Yes,
Water to
Water
boiler.
tube.
Water to boiler.
whether it is water tube or fire tube. See, see inside the
Water tube.
water tube.
Water tube.
So tell me what is the difference between the fire tube and water tube? Fire tube means what? Fire inside the tube. Water tube. Water tube means what? Water is
Water
inside the tube.
inside.
So in this case, water is inside the tube. Tell me.
Outside the tube.
Then this type of the boiler is what?
Fire tube.
Fire tube. In this case, the tube not containing the fire, but it containing a hot
Steam.
metal. Hot metal it will be going to containing over here. I am sliding my arrow pointer on this tube, which is consist the hot metal. Okay, and it is immersed inside the water chamber. Okay, this water will going to water is inside the chamber and hot metal is inside the tube. That's why it is a fire tube, we can say that. Okay, so by getting the heat energy from this hot metal by the phenomenon of conduction and convection, the water get heated and it will going to produce the steam. Okay, this produced steam is used for, tell me. Yes,
To rotation
steam
on
is
turbine.
used. Yes, it is used
To
for
rotate the
the,
turbine. To
yes,
rotate the turbine.
yes, this is used for the rotation of turbine. Okay, so today we will stop over here. Thank you for one and all to joining with me. Okay, thank you.